Hi guys, Charlie Bradford here and welcome back to my channel. If you're here, it's because you're looking for an alternative to ClickBank, and I completely understand that. Maybe you're new to affiliate marketing, maybe just struggling to make money with ClickBank, whatever it may be. Today I want to give you my top tip for an alternative to ClickBank. First off, let's talk a little bit about ClickBank, because ClickBank is a fantastic platform for starting affiliate marketing business. There's a whole host of programs on there for all different niches that you can promote. It's fantastic, really is fantastic, but it can be very overwhelming and seem very complicated when you're first starting. And because of the way it's structured as well, you can get a lot of people promoting the same products. You've got to try and differentiate from that, and all of that takes skills. It takes the ability to, to understand how to work, how to manage and build an affiliate marketing business the correct way. So with ClickBank, there's lists and lists and lists of different products that you can promote on there. And if you are starting out, how do you figure out what one to pick? I mean, I talk about this a lot in all of my content, that I think the only ethical way to promote affiliate products is if you understand the product completely. Just going into ClickBank and just picking a link for anything that sounds pretty good and then just trying to promote it. How can you promote that to the right people? How do you know that is solving your potential customers' problems? I don't think that's the ethical way to do it. I think the ethical way to do it is to buy the product yourself, consume the entire thing, because then you can understand whether that product's good or not, because there's a lot of rubbish out there. That's just a fact. Sorry to say it, but there's a huge amount of rubbish out there, and you've got to be very careful. So if you buy the product, you consume the whole product, then you can understand what pain points that's targeting, how it's going to help your customers, and how you can promote that and who you can promote that product to. So this all takes time, and you could spend some money on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, who knows how many products you could buy, doing it the ethical way, before you come across something that clicks for you. Something that you like and you think, no, this is a great product. It really is a great product, and I'm going to drill down on this product now and promote it. Again, it can be very complicated, very tough to start making money on there. And I know a lot of people that struggle, myself included, on ClickBank. So my top tip for best alternative to that is what I like to call the partnership strategy. Now, the program that I talk about, this partnership strategy, the best one I think for an affiliate marketing business, if you're new or you're a seasoned veteran at affiliate marketing, but you're looking for a way to really build multiple streams of income through one platform, then the partnership strategy is the perfect opportunity for you. I think it's the best way to start and build and scale an affiliate marketing business. And the program I use is called PWA. You can check that out on the link below, guys. I'm going to put a link in there. I've done a video there, but what I do recommend as well is I've put together a completely free training series, and in that I talk about all the basics. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it talks about some of the basic stuff you need to do with affiliate marketing. It's a 4-day training series, so make sure you put your best email in there, guys. Make sure you whitelist. My email's coming in because you don't want to miss any of that training. But that's going to really help you out. And I talk a lot more about the partnership strategy and why it's such a good strategy. It really is. I truly believe that absolutely anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing using the partnership strategy. And my mentor, who created this program, has done over $100 million in affiliate marketing. He knows what he's talking about, and he's built a whole host of programs he's created within that one program for you to promote. You don't have to own them all. You can, as long as you're an ambassador for the program, then you can promote any of those products through that, and all the upsells, everything is included. You can create multiple streams of income through the partnership strategy. This is why it's so powerful. It is really powerful. And not only that, but it's going to teach you how to start. If you've got no idea at all how to start an affiliate marketing business, it's going to teach you how to set your software up, how to set the whole business up from scratch, step by step, holding your hand along the way. There's a whole community of people doing the same thing, so there's a whole support structure there. It's a fantastic program. So I'm going to put the link below the video, guys, that will take you to my video explaining a little bit more about PWA, and I'm also going to put the link below for my free training series. So, you know, grab both of them, go and have a look, you know, go and get stuck in and see what you think. The barrier of entry for this PWA, for the partnership strategy, is so low. So, you know, if you don't have a lot of money spare at the minute, then for $7 you can get involved with this. It's such a small, it's like a cup of coffee. Here in the UK, that's like a cup of coffee. To go and get started with a business online and actually make money. I mean, I made money with this program when I started with no experience at all. Within 2 weeks, I was making money online. That's how quickly it can happen for you guys. That's not to say, a little disclaimer, it's not to say that that's going to happen for everyone. You know, my results may not be typical, and it might not happen the same for you, but I can guarantee if you put work in, you follow the course, follow the training, and you know, go and have a look at the training program that I've put together as well. Everything is there to teach you how to do it from scratch. So get stuck in. And again, like I said, even if you're a seasoned pro, guys, even if you're making good money online with affiliate marketing, what you got to lose? You know, this is a partnership strategy will create multiple streams of income through one single program. That's how powerful it is. So go and check the links out below, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.